Hi guys, so you've recently had a new garage door installed. Moving forward, here's a couple of things that you need to know about your garage door. It's really important that you make sure all of your household items, kids' bikes, brooms, balls and anything lying around the house doesn't get in the way of the moving door, especially not in the way of your tracks here. If the door closes on something, it's going to know too many times that there's been obstructions and it's going to put all your settings and the sensitivity completely out of whack. So make sure that you keep everything away from the door, especially when it's going up and down. When you hear the garage door motor start to beep, that's letting you know that your service is due. When you want to contact us for your service, have a look right on the back of your garage door and our number is right there. You'll get a homeowner's manual with your garage door, and it's important to know that if you built your home with a builder, it's important to contact us so we can register your warranty.